Hey guys, Geordie from Vhedia here, just talking today about the ExplorOZ app and how to put it on your head unit. So first we're going to need to connect to Wi-Fi. So you just scroll down, click on the Wi-Fi icon and turn on. If you've previously saved your housing network on there, it should automatically connect like it has here. You can also hotspot from your phone. So once that's done, we're going to go to the home screen, we're going to go to the menu, the Play Store, and we're going to search. If you haven't logged in before, you do need to create an account, just like a normal Google account. If you've got an Android phone, you might already have this. And then we're going to type in ExplorOZ, and then we're going to go and purchase. Now you do have to pay, it is $60, but I hear it's worth it compared to like some of the free maps that you can get. It's really thorough and you can use it on a number of devices. So you're just going to go ahead, you can use PayPal or you can enter your credit card details. Alrighty, now we've purchased and download, we're going to go to open, and now it's done its location activity permissions. Just go through. You can choose whether you only want to allow during using the app or allow all the time. Just go through these. You'll then have to set up an account as well with a registered email address. So go ahead and do this. So once you've created an account, you're going to go download to Downloads, Data Manager, and then select all while that comes up. While that's doing that, you can customize through settings, general, you can change your font size. So if you need something a bit bigger, you can. Can go through, do your time display as well, and your menu theme. Same with the map screen, stay awake, your odometer, GPS lock. So have a look through this, set it up however you want. Same, you can change color if you're more of an aqua kind of gal or guy. So yeah, you can go through there, go through all your settings, your voice prompts, your speed. Just have a look. There's a lot of stuff and you can customize it to however you want. So once that's all downloaded, scroll to the bottom and tick done. It will open up your maps with your location. You have the option as well to do a 2D or 3D depending on just your personal preference. Now, if you have a look here, you can go into this little folding map and you can choose streets or paths or satellite. And it'll just take a moment to load and then you can get your satellite view, or you can switch back to what we were looking at before. Alrighty, then we're going to go into your search. I'm going to put in Kalbarri or whatever location that you want. Make sure you use the search icon here, not that one like I did. And then it's going to come up. Say we want to go to the national park. And what's cool is it's going to give you some information, the address, position, and a description. And then we're going to find our route. Now what's cool is you can put your average speed on here as well as your vehicle length and how much you're traveling, as well as you can put this on other devices. So if you're cycling or walking, just so you can get your bearings, but that's fine. So change that. If you've got a caravan, you might not be able to go very far. And then you're just going to accept that. And it will start loading up. And that one. And then it'll start giving you directions all the way to Kalbarri National Park. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe us on YouTube or Facebook, and we'll see you next time.